In our video today, we're going to explore how to create a golf itinerary in the new Omni Golf Technology Itinerary Builder. To create a new itinerary, we can simply click on the Create New Itinerary button from the menu of options in the middle of the page. To start, we simply need to enter the customer's last name. We can also add a reference number and any relevant notes. Once we have entered the preliminary information, we can choose the dates of play desired for this particular itinerary. For this example, we will choose Friday, September 3rd through Sunday, September 5th. We can then choose the size of the group and the number of rounds that the group desires to play during their visit. Next, we can choose from a list of available markup strategies. For this example, we will choose the standard markup. Finally, we can choose any applicable promotions from our list of promotion codes. You may choose a single promotion, multiple promotions, or you can simply leave the box blank. For our example, let's choose the MB Golf Trail multi-round. We are now ready to proceed by clicking the Next button at the bottom of the page. This next screen allows us to specify the desired criteria by date, by round, and by course. Notice how we can easily add a day, add a round, delete a day, or delete a round by using these simple icons. Let's go ahead and set the desired start time for round 1 on Friday to 10 a.m. Now, we can begin to search for the group's desired courses using the Add Courses button. Note that you can choose up to 4 courses for each round. We can then choose to which rounds we want to apply those courses. The itinerary builder will then automatically search the course's available inventory for the hour before, the hour of, and the hour after your desired start time. Based on that available inventory, the system will provide you with color-coded dots to give you a quick glance at the course's availability for that date and time. Green dots signify generous availability. Yellow dots signify moderate availability. And red dots signify limited availability. You can hover your cursor over the dot to get a more detailed description. You can also click the list icon to the right of the course's name to see their full availability and pricing. You may also drag and drop the courses to set the customer's desired priority. Courses at the top of the list receive the highest priority, while courses toward the bottom receive the lowest. We can set the course priority for each round. Once we have our start times, courses, and priorities set, we are ready to click the Refresh Tee Time Matches button. After the system refreshes, we can then scroll down toward the bottom of the page, where we will see 2 different itinerary options. Option 1 forgoes the course priority order and provides an itinerary based on the best available pricing. Option 2, on the other hand, provides an itinerary based solely on the customer's desired course priority. At this point, we should make note of the red exclamation mark in the top left-hand corner of our options. This exclamation point signifies that there is an issue with the promo code that we have selected for this itinerary. To see the error, simply click on the exclamation point with your cursor. The system is alerting us to the fact that our current list of desired courses does not meet the required parameters for the promotion. If we continue on with the itinerary, the promotional code will not apply to the pricing. However, if we change the list of courses in our itinerary to meet the criteria of the promotion, the discount will then be applied. Let's change out the Norman course, which is not one of our courses on the promotional code list, to Prestwick, which is on the list. Because we have made a change to the itinerary, we need to refresh the tea time matches to retrieve our updated options. Notice that the red exclamation mark is now gone, signifying that the parameters for the promotional code have now been met. After determining which option to use as our starting point, we can click the Select Times button to advance to the next screen. Here we can view the tea times that the system selected for each round, along with the surrounding available inventory. To make a change, simply click the Select button next to the new desired tea time. Once we are happy with the tea times for each round, we can scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Continue with Itinerary button. We are now ready to review our itinerary and to fill out the remainder of our customer information. Notice how the rounds affected by the promotional code show you the original price versus the discounted price. After we fill out the customer's first name, email address, phone number, and zip code, we are now presented with 4 options at the bottom of the page. If you are ready to complete the itinerary and to book the rounds for the customer, click the Complete Itinerary button. To save this itinerary as a quote, click the Save as Quote button. You can edit the itinerary using the Edit button or delete the itinerary by selecting Delete. We will now click the Complete Itinerary button. Our itinerary is now complete. You can click the printer icon to print a copy of this itinerary for your records. Or you can click the Completed Itineraries button in the left menu to access it again at another time. This concludes our video tutorial on building a golf itinerary using the OmniGolf Technology Itinerary Builder. Thanks for watching.